Hello, welcome back to another short video from the Vintage Model Company. Today we're showing you how to wind up your rubber powered free flight models, such as this free flight VMC Pilot. We're going to be using a... where is it gone?
Oh, it's in my pocket.
Oh, thank you very much. We're going to be using this, which is a winder, which has been specially designed for these. So yeah, let's show you how to do it. Right, so we've got the plane. Oh, where's the rubber? The first thing to do is to hook your rubber out of the aeroplane. Okay, thank you. Go. It's a bit. Perfect. Oh. Thanks very much for watching. Remember to like the video if you learnt something or you found this helpful, and have fun with your planes. We'll catch you on the next one.